Hello dear student, I am Rajwan Singh and today I will tell you about interchange of sentences. How we change the sentences from one sentence to another type of sentence. My dear student, I have told you already in the previous video the kinds of sentences, and I have also told you that to interchange the sentences, first of all, you have to know about the tense very clearly. So let's start. See, change the sentences as directed in the brackets. You have to change the sentence that is given, and in front of this sentence there is given in the bracket negative. It means you have to change this sentence into negative sentence. The sentence is Sita has eaten the food. Sita has eaten the food. First of all, we have to clear the tense of this sentence. Sita has eaten the food. Here, has is used. It means this sentence is in present perfect tense. So, now we will change this into negative sentence. This is very simple. Sita has not eaten the food. This is the answer. Sita has not eaten the food. This is negative. And the next sentence, Ram wrote a letter. Ram wrote a letter. You have to change this into interrogative. Interrogative sentence. Ram wrote a letter. And you have to change this into interrogative that is given in the bracket. I have told you already that first of all, you have to read this sentence very carefully and recognize the tense of this sentence. Then you can change this. Wrote means the second form of write, and after the subject we use the second form of verb in the past indefinite tense. And in past indefinite tense, if we want to change this into interrogative, then I have also told you that there are two types of interrogatives. First, sentences made up of helping verbs, and the secondly, sentences made up of WH words. So, see this. Ram wrote a letter. Here we use did, helping verb. Did Ram write a letter? Question mark. Did Ram write a letter? You have to see this right. When we use did, then always verb should be in the first form. This is the sentence, interrogative sentence, that is made up with the help of helping verb, and this why did Ram write a letter? Question mark. Why did Ram write a letter? This sentence is made up of WH words, and this is also interrogative sentence. So you can change this into two types. Did Ram write a letter? And why did Ram write a letter? It means in this sentence, did Ram write a letter? You have to give the answer in only yes or no. But in this sentence, you have to give the whole reason. That why did Ram write a letter? You have to give the full explanation of this answer. So my dear student, the next sentence, you do your work. You do your work. This is the sentence, and you have to change this into negative. You have to change this sentence into negative sentence. So, first of all, we see that sentence, you do your work. It means this sentence is in the present indefinite tense. And in present indefinite tense, we have to change this into negative sentence. See, you do not do your work. This is the answer. You do not do your work. Here, do not is the helping verb, and this is main verb. Do not, we use do not in the plural sentence, and you, we suppose that you always be plural. So this is the answer. You do not do your work. And the next, Saurav You have to change this into interrogative. The sentence is Saurav has learned this lesson. You have to change this into interrogative sentence. I think first of all you have to check the sentence and find out the tense of this sentence. Saurav has learned this lesson. We use has in the present perfect tense for the singular subject and the third form of the verb. So this is clear that this sentence is in present perfect tense, and now you have to change this into interrogative sentence. Just now I have told you that interrogative sentences are two types. First with the help of helping verb and second with the WH verb. So see this. We put the helping verb in the first of the sentence, in the starting of the sentence. Had Saurav learned this lesson. Question mark. This is the sentence, interrogative sentence, that is made up of with the help of helping verb has, and the second we use WH word. Why has Saurav learned? Why has Saurav learned this lesson? Question mark. And this is the answer. You can change this sentence into two sentences that both are interrogative. First, has Saurav learned this lesson? Question mark. And second, why has Saurav learned this lesson? So, the next sentence. This is the sentence, read this novel. Read this novel, and you have to change this into negative sentence. So first of all, see this sentence and find out the tense of this sentence. Read this novel. This is command or suggestion. If you suppose that this is command, then also this is imperative. But if you suppose that this is suggestion, then also this is imperative. In every way, this is imperative sentence. This is clear. So this is very simple. This is very simple to change this sentence, because you have to do nothing. You have to put here only do not. Do not read this novel. Do not read this novel, and you can write do not in short for don't. You can write this don't. This is the short form of do not. Don't read this novel. This is the negative sentence, and you have to add only do not or don't. So my dear student, this is enough for today, and we will meet in the next video. I think you all understand this chapter very well. So work hard and see this video very carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day.